We all know that the best gifts are personal. But adding a personal touch to gift giving means more than just offering someone the right item. It's also about helping your customers create an emotional connection with their purchase too. And one easy and simple way to do just that is with our latest feature, personalized gift message inserts. Now for just 15 to even 10 cents extra if you have a Printify premium subscription, before checking out on Etsy, your buyers can add a special message to their purchase. All you have to do is simply enable the gift message feature in your Etsy store settings and also in the gift settings tab in your Printify account. Then, whenever your customer adds a gift message to their item on Etsy, it'll automatically be included with their order on Printify, depending on the print provider, all without you having to do a single thing. But if you want to make those messages feel even more personal, we can help with that too. You can brand all your gift message inserts with special fonts, logos, and images. With just a few simple clicks, your store will stand out from the rest. So whether it's the holiday season or not, give your buyers a chance to express themselves and send a message from the heart. Make your item feel even more unique and the celebration even more special with personalized gift message inserts available now from Printify.